how to activate Fido Esim for iPhone online. Now there is just a few clicks away and you're done. So the very first thing that you want to do is to check or after you made the purchase from Fido on your eSIM, you should be able to receive an email with the QR code in it or the activation code as well. So the easiest way in activating it is via your Apple settings. Now I'm going to be showing you pictures so that you'll be guided on where to tap or click. So first things first is open up your iPhone settings. Now scroll down and choose on cellular. Under cellular, choose on add eSIM. We will now then be redirected to set up cellular from the eSIM that you purchased. Now make sure that you already saved the QR code that you received from the email after the purchase of your eSIM on Fido and choose on use QR code. Now on the next page, you'll be asked to scan the QR code, or you will also have an option to upload the QR code that you saved directly from your photo library. Upload it and it will be activated automatically. And that's it. That's how you activate Fido eSIM for iPhone online.